本来デモンストレーションっていうのは、実習室のモニターを使って見本を見せるんですけれども、
Today is a practical session for Latte. Since there are quite a few tasks at hand, I am using smart glasses to show the view of the examples. I hope you enjoy the unique lessons using smart glasses. I haven't really seen this kind of footage up close before. I was able to understand how much milk is coming out. Using smart glasses made it much easier to understand the teacher's preparations. Usually, I often saw the teacher from the front. I think using smart glasses allowed me to see from the teacher's really easy to understand. Before using smart glasses, it felt like I was just looking straight ahead and mimicking in the mirror. I realized that by actually seeing what the teacher is doing, it becomes easier to notice the finer more effectively in practice. I was able to see the finer movements, so I think I was able to grasp the technique.
ここも結構落ち着いて落ち着いちゃって落ち着いて落ち着いて落ち着いて落ち着いて落ち着いて
そんな細かいあんま膨らんでもいやだからさ急いでさそこでさなっちゃうやってるからだから出しすぎなんか量が多すぎる注ぐ位置がどんどん後ろに下がっていっちゃってたんで
I also learned how to draw hearts.
前に進みながらハートを描くっていうのをアドバイス
The advice was easy to understand, even if I can mimic the movements. When I actually try it, different.
注ぐスピードだったりとか
The amount of milk I poured was completely different from the teacher's example. So I want to use that advice to improve in the next class. The utilization of digital tools is still in its developmental stage that allows anyone to quickly acquire skills by actively linking various tools to education. I believe it is very important for the current generation of cutting-edge tools. I hope we can continue our progressive initiative as a school.